Hi, I'm here today to tell you about our C5, 8, and 9 series cabinets and how to use the USB function. Okay, so every 8 and 9 series cabinet has a USB port on it on the side here. So you kind of lift it up, you see it's active, and to get into those settings, basically hit the settings and the cabinet info button. Then you have a couple different things that you can pick. So I'm going to go to USB. And there's 4 different functions. So USB save settings, so I can save the settings from this machine and put them onto another machine, which would be the load settings. Then there's a USB save data log, which is going to record temperature and humidity, if it's this cabinet, for every 5 minutes. And it's going to give you a log, and it holds up to about a month worth of data, and that'll give it to you in a CSV file. And then format USB, if your USB is not formatted properly, it'll format it for this. So just to show you quick, it's pretty simple. Let's say I want to save the settings from this machine. So I hit USB save, I hit apply, and you'll see it's saving to the USB and it says successful. Now if I wanted to take those settings and put them on another machine, so if I had multiple machines or multiple cabinets and I wanted to clone my specific settings, I could do that. So I just hit USB load settings, hit apply, and that's gonna load onto my machine. Now it gives me a choice. I can do all the menu presets if I customize those, the alarm set points, the auto start feature, and the timers, or I can take one of them off and do it, and then I could hit apply. But I'm gonna do them all in this one, and it's that simple. And then the last one we're gonna go through is the saving the data log. So very simple. Once again, hit that. It's going to hit apply, and it's going to save that information into a CSV file on this thumb drive, and I can put that into my computer, and it'll give me this nice little set of data, and I can chart that into a chart or do whatever I like with it. Okay, so now I got my USB drive in my computer. Click on that. I'm going to select one of the HACCP downloads, which is going to give me a nice temperature and humidity log in this case, because it's a 9 series cabinet. So you've got all that data, timestamp, the temperature, the humidity every 5 minutes, and I can do something like chart it out if I wanted to, something simple, and have a nice time temperature chart.